Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel, where today we are going to dwell into the next part of our project. So without further ado, let's get started now. So if you recall, this is where we ended up with the sample file, and this is what we wanted to achieve. We are going to finish what we did not last time, which means that you can see here I have a link which goes to the middle. Here maybe I put this smaller like so. So I press Control and then with the middle mouse button up or down, and then zoom in or out, or you can do it with this. You have two ways: either you press here like so, or either you go here and type in what you want and press enter. Oh, okay. Alright, so we have the top is done, the down is done, the top here is not done. Okay, so we right click here, insert a link, we put it in this document, we place it in sheet 1. We want to go to the top one, we can go to the email as to be consistent with this one, which is J and 4, sorry, J4. J3 will be the empty one that we left. I press OK, I press here, and here we are. Right, so this one is done. The down one here is not done. So let's see, down it's down is 228. You can put, if you want, up to here. Don't forget that this is a table, which means that if you had the table will go bigger, but this is not dynamic, this is fixed. Alright, so we are in the middle. Oh, the middle is not done also here, so the down here is not done. We do it again, we right click, press edit hyperlink 228, and yes, it is. Top one it's done, the middle one here it's not done, and the middle we say we want to go to 1, 2, 3. Right click, edit this document, sheet 1, and A1, 2, 3. Press enter or OK. I press enter. So it works. We are here. Top. It works somehow, as you can see. That's another thing I wanted to show you. When you press the top here, if you put A1, it will go here. But since we put a freeze, it doesn't go to the top. So to remedy this, we right click, edit the hyperlink, and we go to J4. Press OK or enter, and now we are back to the top. And the down here, to edit, insert a link in this document, sheet 1 and A1, 2, 3. Press OK, and we are going down to the top. This one go to the top as well. So you can see. So now we set all those. We can do like here. Okay, we can do the formatting. I will do slightly different one. So I select this one, I select that one. For the color, maybe I put, to be a little bit different, I will put the orange one, and the writing, something which is not too, yeah, this one is better. Alright, so I select only one, because if I select the two, when I paste the format, it will paste here as well. If you remember, if I click once, there is only one. If I click 2 times, I click once, and I'm able to select whatever I want. Like so, and like so. To remedy this, I can press here to remove it, or Ctrl S to save. This is done. We have something who look like this. We have now to rename the sheets. As you can see, I delete the link here because I wanted to recreate it, and the reason why is if you don't want to go all the way to this my previous video and look the whole thing, they tend to be a little bit lengthy. That's the reason why. I press OK and sheet 1. So I go here. The reason why I want it, if I rename this here, you don't see it because it's hidden, but we will need to create and hide data. Alright, this is the data here. So we do select, double click and rename. You can rename it what you want, rename it data. If I press here, it works. If I press here, it does not work. And the only reason is because I changed the name. So now you will notice that if I edit the link, alright, it goes to A1 and here I change so it doesn't recognize it. I just have to click here and click here. You will notice that once I press here, let's go back, it changed again. And that's, as I was saying, is because I edit the link. That's why it changes. I have to do this and do that. That's the reason normally we keep, I save now, Control S. That's why we edit the color and formatting only at the last one. I know it looks better like so, we tend to do it more often, but if you want to save time, that's the best way to do. Now we created the data. We will have to match this. You have two ways of doing it. Either you select the whole thing, press Ctrl copy to copy the whole thing, and it will look like so. Either you can copy from here. I will show you this method. I did select the whole thing by clicking here. The small arrow, it select everything, or you do Ctrl A, it's the same. Now I do a Ctrl C for copying, or you can simply copy here. I go to datas, and let's see, I want to paste. I place my things here, and I do either paste or Ctrl V, and you can see it doesn't want. Why is that? It's because when we select the whole thing. Now I can do Ctrl and V, right? And you will say, Chris, look at that. That's not, it doesn't, data doesn't match, you see? It's not to worry. Click here, and you click this one, values. Or you go to paste, paste special, and values. Once I press value, this is what's happened. Everything is removed. All the formatting, all the link, all the formulas are removed. So be careful when you use this, if you have formula here. You notice that I still have the 1 here. This is not a big deal. I will show you later on why. And now we can rename this by selecting it, double clicking, and rename it to inventory, like so. Press enter. What I will do now is select the top one and give a formatting to it. If you notice, the formatting is all black with white writing. I will select here because I like to center everything like so. This one we do not need, so I can delete that. I can save. As you can see, it's very fast, that's why I like to save very often, just in case. Now what's the difference in between this one and this one? Basically, if you click here, you can see I have so many names. But if I click in the sample file, I got only one, which is, if I click here, you will know it's the table in the inventory. It's this one here. So yes, we will have to create as many as we have here. So Now I save. Once we are done that, since we are already this video is too long, next video I will show you how to create those tables here. You can see if I go to bread, it knows that it's this selection here. I thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, you can do your YouTube things, you know, like, press the subscribe button even, and if you want to get notified every time I post a new video, you can press also the bell icon like so. If you do not like it, however, it would be nice if you leave a comment down below and let me know why you do not like this video. I hope you stay safe and you keep the morale up, and I say bye now, guys.